to another training video for Seed Digital Menu. In this video, we'll review the settings portion on the Seed Digital Menu Manage site. The settings is where you can edit your restaurant and contact information, retrieve your Seed registration code or license key, enable or disable the Pro Server mode, create a new tax rate, manage your tags, customize the text messages your guests will receive on the waitlist or the reservation list, and define your custom revenue groups. The Seed Manage site can be accessed from your Clover dashboard or by visiting www.seeddigitalmenu.com/manage. Keep in mind, only users with the role of an admin or a manager will have access to the Manage site. So let's go ahead and let's click on the Settings button found in the lower left of the screen. Our first page is our General Settings. Here's where you can update restaurant contact information and choose what time zone you're in. This should automatically be imported from Clover, but you can always come back and edit this if needed. Under Options, you have the ability to disable the Pro Server setting. By default, this will always be enabled. When the Pro Server is enabled, it is what allows you to assign tables and sections to a server for the length of their whole shift. If this is disabled, tables will only be assigned for one order at a time. If you disable the setting, each time a table is cleared, you'll remove the server from the table as well. Next, we have our Clear Table After Payment option. By default, this is going to be disabled. What this will do is when you enable it, every time you complete a payment, the table will then automatically be cleared. Our next page is Tax Rates. Here you can create and modify different tax rates that you may have. If your state has a specific tax rate that applies to liquor or beer or wine, here's where you can create it. Simply tap the button New Tax Rate, and let's give it a name. And let's enter the tax rate, and when you're ready, tap Save. When you edit your menu items, you will have the ability to choose what tax rate should apply to each item. Our next section is Tags. Tags are an extremely helpful feature. Tags are what allows you to search for a specific item or a group of items in the Seed app. If you want the ability to search your menu for certain phrases or words like gluten-free, you can create the tag gluten-free. Tap the button labeled New Tag. In the box that pops up, you'll want to type in the name of your tag. So here we'll type in gluten-free. Now if you want to give the tag an icon, you can do so by clicking here. If you want to color code your tags to make them easier to find, you can do so by clicking here as well. Now, on the Seed Digital Menu app, when you search for using a tag, the menu items assigned to this tag will appear. One of the great features on Seed is our custom text messaging from the waitlist and the reservation list. To customize the text messages your guest will receive, tap the button named SMS Messages. Below you will see two sections, one for your waitlist and the other for your reservations. Type in the custom message that you want to send your guest and hit Save when finished. Finally, we have our revenue groups. Revenue groups are a great feature Seed is thrilled to provide. These revenue groups will appear on your employee's end-of-day report and restaurant end-of-day reports. In a short time, the Seed Reports app will be released, and these will carry over to provide you even more information. To create a new revenue group, tap the button New Revenue Group. Now type the name in the group and hit Create Revenue Group. When you're ready to edit your categories, you can choose which revenue groups you want to tie them to. If you need additional help, please feel free to email us at support@seeddigitalmenu.com or call us at 425-296-7409, and one of our dedicated Seed specialists will be more than happy to help.